This is our apiary, and this is what we work on. We work on a brood, which is a big box, and a half brood, which is called a brood and a half. Now I have put a super above the crown board. You can see the crown board there, which is a little gap there, and I'm going to open the roof up, and actually you'll see when I take the roof off, this is a super and it's above the crown board. We do this in winter. I like to do this in winter because it gives me the opportunity, if I need to feed, I can put some food in there, or I can put a couple of frames of honey in there and they will take it down if they need it. They're usually okay, but anyway, that's why we have a super above. I'm going to take that off and we're going to open the crown board now, and we're going to have a look at these bees. This is our first inspection of the year, so we don't know what we'll find. I'm just going to take that off and put that down there, and I'm going to gently actually, I will, they are nice bees, they're a nice gentle bee, but I will just give them a little bit of smoke. I don't want to upset them too much. I don't want to smoke them too much to get, really, they just want a gentle smoke. And I'm going to take the crown board off and we're going to have a look. Now this was a swarm in my back garden last year, so I don't know what to expect. So I did put quite a few new frames in, and they've pulled it out, and they have survived over the winter. So this was a swarm that came into my garden, and I moved it to the apiary later on in the year. I'm just going to prise some of these frames back, and we're going to have a quick look. They do seem to be building up quite nicely, and I've just seen a problem there, to be honest. I've just seen a problem when I can see down the frames, and when I look, I'll open it up, and that's a problem. You can see a lot of these bees, they're actually drones, and we shouldn't have these drones this time of year. So in actual fact, this queen obviously didn't get mated properly, and she's a drone layer. I'm just going to take it, I'm going to take this other box off. Actually, I'm going to take the half brood off. I'm going to have a look in the main brood and see what's happening there. Actually, this as well. Yeah, there is too much drone brood there, so I think I'm almost certain she's a drone layer. And yes, you can see all them. They're all you can see one or two drones there, the big ones there, but there is one or two bees in it. So she's obviously just failed, just lately she's failed. She hasn't had enough sperm to be able to produce the female eggs, basically the workers. You can see there, that's. So what are we going to do with this? Well, actually, it's getting to that time of year now where there is drones about, and there she is, she's there, you can see her there. Yeah, she's obviously a drone layer, she hasn't got mated properly.
Hi queen.
Yeah, find and put some eggs, put some eggs in from another hive that are fertilized eggs, so they will actually produce queens.